Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Tom Photsios, and today we are standing in front of one of my favorites, probably because of the year I was born, a 1970 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed, numbers matching. We have documentation. It was a Canada car, so we actually have documentation on the fact that it is a true SS, numbers matching 4-speed. Come on up, let's take a look around this car. Under the hood we have the 396 350 horse motor. Like I said before, it is numbers matching. Pretty much everything's stock on here. They did add a electric fuel pump. It has power front disc brakes, power steering. It has a stock exhaust manifolds. It's not a perfect car by any means, but it is damn nice, and it is what it is. It's a numbers matching 70 396 4-speed car, which they're far and few between. It's of driver quality. Chrome is real nice, wheels, tires, body's in good shape. Is there filler on the car? Yes. Is it loaded with Bondo? No. The undercarriage is real tight. Doesn't feel like any Bondo up in the quarters. I believe they're the original quarters too. I couldn't find any of the seams. You know, as far as being a perfect car, it is not, but it is what it is. Like I said, it's a numbers matching 4-speed 70 car. You could drive it the way it is or restore it and have yourself a gem. The chrome on the back bumper is a little pitted here. These are very inexpensive. You could replace that with no problem. Check out the trunk pan. The trunk is real nice. It's got the the splatter paint from the factory. And like I said, I can't find any seams on the quarter panels to think that they've been replaced. Nothing like true GM nice metal there. The paint does shine well. There are blemishes. Looks like the rear package tray could stand to be replaced. If you're looking to, just get a car, take to shows, this would be a fun one. Or if you're looking to buy one and make it mint, this would be good too, because the cool thing about this one is we actually have documentation from GM showing the authenticity of the car. Don't forget, you can see more pictures at VanguardMotorsales.com. Also join us on Facebook at Facebook.com/Vanguard Motor Sales. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. Very solid right here. These usually rust out really good, and it's nice and solid there. Interior is beautiful. A little dust there. The carpet's in really good shape, nice and black. Bucket seats are in perfect shape. It's got seat belts, the 4-speed manual transmission. Alright, Aubrey, you ready to go for a ride in this rare beast? It's a posi traction as well. I didn't mention, I believe it's a 12-bolt. I'll have to double check that. Just drives really nice, shifts real well. It's got the Muncie 4-speed in here. 396 numbers matching. It's a charm to drive, this one. As you can see, the interior is in really good condition. Like I said, this would be a perfect car that you don't have to spend 50 grand on, but you can have a true authenticity authentic vehicle. Don't forget, you can call me with any questions at 248-974-9513. It does have the cowl hood, but it is not hooked up. That's probably something I would do if it were my vehicle. But you got a nice base to work with here. Let's go check out the 7 mile spin out here. Wow, that was fun. This car's got some power right out of the box. This car's all stock. Don't forget, visit us at VanguardMotorsales.com. And thanks for joining us today, and join us for our next pass.